Hey everybody, good morning. Got another little kitchen gadget recipe. We're using the Holstein Omelette Maker, and we're not making omelets. We never do what they tell us to do we? We're going to try something completely different. This is kind of like an empanada. It's two soft corn tortillas, but I'm kind of making them the way my Cuban friends down in Miami make their empanadas with, they use olives and raisins. You do not have to do that. You can not run away screaming. you you don't have to do it, but I'm going to do it because it's delicious. And we're using some uncooked, cold, frozen onions, a little bit of mushrooms. This is all stuff that it's optional. Use whatever you want, but you got to use a corn tortilla, otherwise it doesn't work. We've got some chicken. This makes the chicken go a long way. And of course you can use beef or fish or anything you want. You can use some barbecued eggplant, I don't care. First you got to catch the eggplant though. It's not that easy. They're wily. You know, they're not easy to find early in the morning. They're always running around. Okay, now you got the raisins. Okay, you can cover your eyes. We're getting ready to use the salad olives. There's usually music with this part, but I don't have any today. And we got to have some spices. Let's do a little bit of garlic and a little bit of, because if you add garlic, you got to add parsley. And then, well, that wasn't garlic, that was onion powder. This is the garlic. Okay. And last but most important is cheese. You got any cheese? This is not traditional to use with this. You'd use a different type of cheese, but I'm using what I got. Who doesn't like sharp cheddar? This is the tricky part. Also, you don't want to turn it on before you do this because it gets hot mucho quick. Now, these gadgets are tricky because when you plug them in and you're done, you don't realize they're still plugged in. I plugged mine in the other day, and then when I went to do my dishes, it was still on. I went to grab it, and I burned the beat Jesus out of my thumb. I've also had them on a couple times, and I forgot, and they were on for hours. I have the little waffle maker, and that darn thing, where the oil was, it got black, and it's hard to get out now. It's kind of ruined. So let's set this for... We'll take a look at 5 minutes, and it might need another minute because this is warming up. It's not cooking, so it's not really the cooking time. It's the warming up time. So it's probably going to go for like 6 minutes. Then I'm going to stop it, unplug it, and let it sit for a few more minutes. So we can pause this. Okay, guys and gals, it's been about 5 or 6 minutes. Looks good. Kind of, that's a little soft. That's kind of crisp. I'm gonna turn this off now and come back in a few minutes. Okay, it's been sitting for about 5 minutes, and that's delicious looking. That is delicious looking. Now comes the tricky part. I sharpened this edge for a dollar store spatula. It's pretty decent. I don't like the looks of that. Nurse scalpel. Okay. Come on, behave. Oh, you booger. You booger. Look at that. Making me look bad on international YouTube. Oh, you're doing better that time. Okay. We forgive you. So, if you find these at a good price, these Holstein Omelette Makers, you can make a lot of stuff in them beside omelets. And I'm finding out that one of my favorite things is to get a really inexpensive soft corn tortilla and just add some whatever you feel handy and on hand inside, and you got yourself, so long as you have cheese, you have a nice little start for a lunch. Is that looking symmetrical for YouTube? We got to hold up our standards. This isn't, get in there. This is feng shui. Feng shui. I hear people unsubscribing right now. Clickety click, clickety. Guys, I've been making videos for 18 years. I've got a bunch of cooking videos. Some of them are kind of unique. You might want to check them out. And a bunch of people I feature on the bottom of the page, no relation to me. They would not anyway. And there we go. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope y'all having a good day. I'm going to have a nice lunch. Y'all take care. See you out there.